Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you save money and make better purchasing decisions. In today's video, we're diving into the world of price per kilogram calculations to help you become an expert at comparing prices and scoring the best deals. So, buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's get started. What is price per kilogram? First things first, let's talk about what price per kilogram actually is. Price per kilogram is a metric that compares the cost of an item based on its weight. This value is expressed in dollars per kilogram, and it's a game changer for smart shoppers like you. By calculating the price per kilogram of each item, you can easily identify the best value for your money. Calculating price per kilogram. Now that we know what price per kilogram is, let's learn how to calculate it. The process is super simple. All you need are two pieces of information: the total price per unit and the total weight per unit. Here's the formula. Price per kilogram equals total price per unit, total weight per unit. Let's break it down further. Price per kilogram is the cost per 1 kilogram of the product, given in dollars. Total price per unit is the price you paid for the whole item or package. Total weight per unit is the weight of the entire item or package you purchased. Example calculation. Now that we have the formula, let's walk through a real-life example. Let's say you bought 3 kilograms of apples for $6. Now you want to know the price per kilogram. Using the formula above, we can calculate the price per kilogram like this. Price per kilogram equals total price per unit, total weight per unit. Price per kilogram equals 6/3. Price per kilogram equals 2. So, the price per kilogram of apples is $2. Easy, right? Calculating price per kilogram using Excel. If you prefer using software like Excel to calculate price per kilogram, we've got you covered. Let's use the same example as before, but this time we'll use Excel. Price per kilogram equals total price per unit, total weight per unit. Price per kilogram equals 6/3. To round off the result, you can use the round function in Excel, like this. Price per kilogram equals round, 6/3, 2. And there you have it. The price per kilogram of apples is $2, calculated using Excel. Tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, let's go over some valuable tips and tricks to help you master price per kilogram calculations. Always compare prices per kilogram when shopping to ensure you're getting the best value. Take advantage of online tools, smartphone apps, or software like Excel to calculate price per kilogram quickly and accurately. Don't forget to consider package size. Larger packages often offer better value per kilogram, but always calculate the price per kilogram to be sure. Factor in storage and shelf life when buying in bulk to avoid waste. Stay informed by keeping track of your favorite products' prices and monitoring sales and promotions to get the best deals. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to master price per kilogram calculations and make smarter, more informed shopping decisions. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see how much money you save on your future purchases. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and shopping guides. And, as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy shopping, and remember, knowledge is power, and smart shopping saves you money.